Also with the Amazon profile name Bloom. And what I'm doing today is I'm reviewing the luxury collection, also stainless LED candle set Bloom from. And what I'm doing today is I'm reviewing the luxury collection stainless LED candle set. Now it says of course no mess, SELS, which is Smart Era Lighting System. Spills, and now, it does have a realistic flickering option. It also has a remote control, and it does state and it does have a realistic flickering option. So we'll go ahead and get it opened up. It also has a remote control, and it does state that it is real wax. So what we'll do is go ahead and get it opened up and see for ourselves. So now that I have the styrofoam out of the box, I open it to reveal my candles. Now, I did cheat a little bit, and I took the batteries out in advance to place them in the candles just to ensure that they weren't defective or anything before doing this video. Now, they do come with a remote control, which as you can see, I have not opened. The remote control does have the timer options, which is really nice because you're not going to be wasting a lot of your battery, and different light modes as well as different brightness. And of course, your on and your off buttons. Each candle, as you can see, has a battery compartment. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and that's per candle. And it has an on and off switch here. So I turn it on, and you can see the flickering of the candle. Now, underneath this, I'm going to turn the candle off for demonstration purposes so we can see that it is definitely what feels like, you can see it peeling, a real wax candle. Now, of course, it's only peeling because I'm using my fingernail to peel it, but the claim that it is real wax is certainly proved to be true. As I'm turning each of them on, you can see the differences in size and how they set. Now, one thing to be careful of is I'm sure that with this being real wax, you will accumulate dust as you do in a real wax candle. Now, for demonstration purposes, what I'm going to do is just lay them side by side as such. And again, I've still got the plastic on. So the candles are on. I've got my remote. However, there's a little tag here that's going to prevent me from operating it. So I remove that to the battery and press the off button, see what happens. Off. Okay, easy enough. There's a quick on. Now the lighting, I'm not sure. Steady light, awesome. So it does have a steady light feature. That is what the light button is there. Or it does have the candle feature, which is there. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on steady light for a moment because I'd like to see the dimming and the brightness. So there I am dimming. And there it is brighter. Not much of a difference. Well, actually, yeah, there is now that I'm looking at the video. So, these are my candles. Unboxed from SELS, the Smart Era Lighting Systems Luxury Collection. So now I'm going to figure out where we're going to put them. Not so much worried about for the remote control at this moment, but we're going to place them where they go, and that'll be their final resting place. And as I've deliberated about where to put my candles, I decided the best place for them would be here in my bathroom, by my jacuzzi tub and my shower. The reason that they're here is because regular candles, of course, water would get on them, and the netting where I wanted to put them would burn. So by having the candles here in this position, and here you can see them flickering, they are able to be used in a way that a regular candle could not. Now also, as you'll see, they're cool to the touch. I still actually have the plastic wrapper on it. I haven't taken that off yet. There's no smoke coming out of it. Another thing I like about having my candles here in the bathroom is not only that I can see them from the tub and that I can use them by the tub, but also as I'm standing in my shower, which is a standalone shower, I can have a nice shower without the blazing overhead lights. And while a lot of people like to use these for entertaining, for me personally, I couldn't have any other candle in here, and I do like my candles in the tub. Of course, I can supplement with additional ones at the other side should I want more light. They have a nice flicker as a regular candle would. And when I'm done, I simply turn the candle over and flip the switch. And as you can see, it's off. And equally, I can turn it back on, upside down, place it upright, and there's my candle setup.